Hey friends, Jackie here from Interact, and today I'm going to show you how to create a skill set quiz using ChatGPT. This quiz will match somebody's skill set with potential careers that they might be really great at. All of the prompts that you'll need to create this quiz are in this Interact blog post, Make a Quiz with AI. I will link it in the notes below so you can access it easily. I would recommend copying and pasting the prompts from this blog post each time because we do update the prompts based on the latest version of ChatGPT. If you scroll down a little bit, the first thing you're going to want to do is select the type of quiz that you want to make. Today, we're going to be making a personality quiz because the different answers that someone is selecting in the quiz are going to relate to a specific result that we want them to get. So go ahead and click on personality quiz. All of the prompts that you need are in order on this page, and they're outlined in these purple blocks. The highlighted text within the purple block is a modifier. So this is the content that you will be replacing with your own information to make your specific quiz. So here I am in ChatGPT. I prefer to use the playground version. So if you're in the playground, all you do is change the mode to chat and then the model to ChatGPT-4. Now over here on the left in the system section is where I'm copying and pasting in those ChatGPT prompts from the Interact blog post. Here in the assistant section is where ChatGPT is recommending what I use, or rather where it's writing the quiz, right? So you can see already the quiz outcomes that it's giving me, questions, and so on. So the first prompt, and I just want to make a note that the prompts that you see over here that I'm using may look different than what you're copying and pasting from the blog post, and that's because we keep the blog post updated based on the updates of ChatGPT. So we update our prompts so that they work best based on changes that ChatGPT makes over time. So, all right, we have our quiz title. So once you're clear on the quiz title, in this case, which online business opportunity matches your skills, we want to figure out which outcomes we're going to point people to, or what the quiz results are going to be. So which business opportunities should we suggest to them for this case? And here, because of this prompt that I gave ChatGPT, it's recommending we have a bookkeeper, a virtual assistant, digital marketer, and affiliate marketer. Next up, you will copy and paste over the question prompt, and then ChatGPT will literally write out all of the questions in your quiz, as well as the answers that somebody would be able to choose. And it's going to give you the score, which means you can see bookkeeper here, virtual assistant, digital marketer, affiliate marketing, which are results, right? So this is essentially creating the logic for you. So when you go to create the quiz in Interact, you know when you create answer A, you will set the logic to correlate with bookkeeper. Answer B will correlate to the virtual assistant result, and so on. And this will make it so that when someone takes your quiz, they are given the business opportunity or career opportunity based on their skill set. It actually makes sense for them to get that result. That's what you want them to get based on how they've answered your quiz questions. Scrolling down a little bit more, once you have your questions, you will copy and paste in the prompt to get the opt-in form information. So this is where after someone has answered your quiz questions, they'll see the opt-in form where they can subscribe to your list. So in this case, ChatGPT is recommending we say ready to join our email list, which actually don't love that. And this brings up a good point. If you do see something that ChatGPT recommends that you think you could make better because you know your business best and your customers best, then absolutely do that. So you could either resubmit the prompt to get a new idea here, or feel free to change something out that you know you would want to say. For example, on the quiz opt-in form, you want to give a compelling reason for somebody to subscribe. Ready to join our email list isn't really a compelling statement, right? Like I definitely am on enough email lists where if you're not giving me any context as to what I'm going to get by subscribing, I probably will not subscribe. So here I could change this into something like ready to find the career of your dreams, or ready to up-level your skill set, or something like that, right? Whatever it is that my business is going to do, or rather, whatever it is the emails I'm going to be sending you will help you with. Make sure the messaging aligns with the emails that they're going to get, because if you can set people up knowing, hey, I'm going to be sending you this information, then the right people, the people who the information is intended for and who are looking for answers like this, the support that you give, are absolutely going to want to subscribe, and they'll be looking out for the communications that you send them. All right, last up is the description. So this goes back to the cover page of your quiz. And the reason that we put this prompt at the end is just to sort of wrap up everything that ChatGPT has created so far. So now that you've created the whole quiz, let's go ahead and summarize it with a brief description. Once you've followed all of the ChatGPT prompts in the Interact blog post and ChatGPT has written out your quiz for you, the next step is to add this information into your Interact account so you can start using this quiz. I have a video linked below to show you the exact steps you need to do, what needs to be copied and pasted where in Interact, how to set up the logic for this quiz as well so that you can build that out. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Once you've created your quiz in Interact, this is what it is going to look like. So this is the cover page here where they can click Take Quiz. Then your leads will be able to start answering your questions. Once they've answered the questions, this is where they see the opt-in form where they can subscribe. And then once they subscribe, they will get the result that is intended for them. Remember, you can add your own call to action here. So once somebody completes your quiz, I would suggest recommending a next step for them. If that's going to happen in email, let them know to go check their email. Or if it's something that you want them, I don't know, a web page that you want them to visit or a challenge that you want them to sign up for, if you want them to book a strategy call, those are all options that you can add in as a call to action right here from the quiz result page. If you prefer that Interact makes a quiz for you, head over to ai.tryinteract.com, add in your website and any quiz ideas that you already have, your email, and hit Make My Quiz, and we will be in touch with a quiz for your business.